Milky Way Galaxy, a massive spiral galaxy containing hundreds of billions of stars, including our Sun. It's named for the pale milky band of the light it forms in the night sky when viewed from Earth. The Milky Way is a bare spiral galaxy, meaning it has a central bar-shaped structure with spiral arms extending outward. It spans over 100,000 light years across. Our solar system is situated in the Orion Arm, about 25,000 light years from the galactic center. The Milky Way is a part of the local group, a cluster of over 50 galaxies, including Andromeda, our nearest large galactic neighbor. The Milky Way band of light in the sky is actually the combined light of countless distant stars in our galaxy's disk. While we live within it, studying the Milky Way galaxy structure is challenging due to our perspective and the obscuring dust and gas. Let's discuss briefly about our Milky Way galaxy in this video. Origin of Milky Way. The Milky Way galaxy began forming approximately 13.6 billion years ago from a massive cloud of gas and dust. Over time, this cloud collapsed under gravity, forming stars and eventually setting into a rotating disk shape. The oldest stars in the galaxy are found in the hollow and globular clusters, indicating the early stages of its formation. The Milky Way's formation is linked to the early universe, shortly after the Big Bang, where small overdensities in the mass distribution acted as seeds for galaxy formation. Gravitational collapse. This overdensity is likely including the seeds of globular clusters began to collapse under gravity, drawing into more gas and dust. Star formation. As the cloud collapsed, stars began to perform. Star formation. As the cloud collapsed, stars began to form, with the oldest stars residing into the hollow and globular clusters. Disk formation. The gas and dust continued to collapse and spin, eventually flattening into a rotating disk where most of the galaxy's stars are now located. Mergers and accretion. The Milky Way has also grown by merging with smaller galaxies over billions of years, further shaping its structure and adding to its stellar population. Cosmic noon. A period of intense star formation known as cosmic noon is believed to have occurred when the Milky Way's disk grew through gas accretion and mergers. Ongoing evolution. The Milky Way continues to evolve with ongoing mergers and accretion of gas and smaller galaxies. Components of Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way galaxy is composed of several key components: a central core, a disk containing spiral arms, a halo, and a supermassive black hole at the center. The disk is where most of the galaxy's stars, gas, and dust reside, including our solar system. The halo is a spherical region surrounding the disk, containing older stars and globular clusters. Here is a more detailed breakdown. Central mass. A dense, roughly spherical region at the center of galaxy, primarily composed of older stars. Disk. A flattened, rotating structure that contains the majority of the galaxy stars, gas, and dust. Spiral arms. Distinct bright regions within the disk characterized by active star formation and containing young stars, gas, and dust. Halo. A roughly spherical region surrounding the disk containing older stars, globular clusters, and dark matter. Supermassive black hole. Located at the very center of the galaxy, likely Sagittarius A, with its mass millions of times that of the Sun. Dark matter, an invisible matter, dark matter, an invisible substance that makes up a significant portion of the galaxy's mass and extends beyond the visible components. Center of Milky Way galaxy. The center of the Milky Way Galaxy is located in the direction of the constellation Sagittarius, approximately 26,000 light years from Earth. At the very heart of our galaxy lies a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A. This black hole has a mass of about 4 million times that of our Sun. Here is a more detailed look. Sagittarius A. This supermassive black hole is the central engine of the Milky Way. It's a powerful gravitational source pulling in gas, dust, and even stars. Location: the galactic center where Sagittarius A resides is in the direction of the Sagittarius constellation and is also near the constellation of Pisces and Scorpius. Surrounding region. The galactic center is a dynamic and complex region packed with stars, gas, dust, and clusters and remnants of supernova. Observation challenges. Because of the vast distance, intervening dust and gas clouds, directly observing the galactic center is challenging. However, astronomers use techniques like infrared and radio observations to study it. Fast image. The Event Horizon Telescope has captured the first image of Sagittarius A, revealing a dark central region surrounded by a bright ring of glowing gas. This image provides the first direct visual evidence of the black hole's presence. Future of Milky Way Galaxy. The Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies are currently on a collision course, heading towards each other at a speed of around 250,000 miles per hour. Merger process. Over billion of years, the two galaxies will pass through each other, their shapes distorted by their mutual gravitational pull. Star formation. The collision will compress gas and dust, triggering intense bursts of star formation. New galaxy. Ultimately, the two galaxies will merge into one larger elliptical galaxy, potentially named Milkomeda or Milkodromeda. Solar system fate. While the Earth and our solar system are not expected to be destroyed, they may be flung into a different part of the merged galaxy. Long term evolution. Over even longer timescales, the merged galaxy might itself merge with other galaxies in the local group, eventually forming a single massive elliptical galaxy. The Milky Way is a spiral galaxy that houses our solar system. It is one of the billions of galaxies in the universe, and its vastness is hard to comprehend. The solar system, including our Sun, orbits the center of the Milky Way galaxy, much like planets orbit stars. It takes about 230 million years to complete one orbit, a period known as galactic year. The solar system travels at an average speed of 515,000 miles per hour. So the entire solar system is thought to have completed 22 orbits during its lifetime. We can see the entire Milky Way galaxy from Earth, while we can observe a band of light in the night sky, the Milky Way. To see the entire galaxy, we would need to be outside of it, which is currently impossible with our current technology. But we can still appreciate its beauty and learn about its structure through scientific observation and imaging. Infrared telescopes, for example, can penetrate the dust and gas clouds to reveal more of the galaxy's structure. Yeah, thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, comment, and share. And also don't forget to follow the page for more space related videos.